Do you ever feel like your blood sugar levels are out of control? The ups and downs can be frustrating and even dangerous for some. But what if I told you that there are certain foods that can help regulate your blood sugar levels naturally? In this video, we're going to introduce you to 12 foods that have been scientifically proven to have a positive impact on blood sugar regulation. From foods that are rich in fiber to foods that have a low glycemic index, we'll explain the biological mechanisms that make these foods so effective and why you need to start consuming them. So, whether you're looking to manage diabetes or simply want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, join us as we delve into the world of blood sugar regulation and discover the powerful benefits of these nutrient-rich foods. Number 12. Egg. Egg contains high amounts of unsaturated fat and it is low carb, which makes them help people with diabetes to manage their blood sugar level. Consumption of whole egg has been linked to better blood sugar with its high nutrient content of fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. It decreases inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, and with its high-density lipoprotein, HDL, commonly called good cholesterol, which helps to enhance insulin secretion and increases its activity in the form of glucose uptake. In addition, it reduces heart disease risk, promotes eye health, and simultaneously provides an antioxidant effect by reducing the number of free radicals in a process similar to mopping water off the floor to protect against diseases. Number 11. Fatty fish. Fatty fishes such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herrings should be a part of your food because they contain high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids and other subtypes including eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These chemicals are important for diabetic patients with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke to protect the heart from potential complications of diabetes. Specifically, EPA and DHA help to protect your blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and also improve artery function by lowering the effect of atherosclerosis. In addition, these fatty fishes contain a high level of protein that gives a feeling of fullness when taken, thereby helping you manage your weight with the amount of food substance you consume. Therefore, including fatty fish in your balanced diet can help reduce the risk of serious diabetes complications. Number 10. Greek yogurt and other probiotics-packed dairy foods. Greek yogurts contain high-level protein, calcium, and a specialized form of fat known as conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, with low levels of carbohydrates. It contains about 6 to 8 grams of carbs per serving, indicating that little amounts of sugar will produce its metabolism, which is lower in the common yogurts and insignificant to increase blood sugar. Thereby, it can be said to have a low glycemic index. That is the rating system for foods containing carbohydrates. In addition, the CLA keeps you full, which means you eat less, thereby controlling the rate at which you eat. Furthermore, Greek yogurt and other probiotic-packed dairy foods are rich in protein, which may promote weight loss by reducing appetite, thereby decreasing calorie intake. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the apple juice, the process which converts the carbohydrate present to acetic acid. The resulting mixture contains about 1 gram of carbohydrate per teaspoon, thereby not altering the blood sugar level as it contains low carbohydrates. Furthermore, the vinegar's acetic acid helps improve insulin function and sensitivity and lower fasting sugar levels, resulting in reduced blood sugar concentration. In addition, apple cider vinegar contains high amounts of vitamin B and C, in addition to its acetic acid. The vitamins provide you with an antimicrobial and antioxidant effect, reducing damage to cells and tissues. Due to the acidity of the apple cider vinegar, we advise you take it with a teaspoon mixed with water to avoid damaging the teeth and esophagus and prevent gastric acidity. Number 8. Cinnamon. Traditional spices are commonly used to control blood glucose levels, among which cinnamon is one. It's a spice you should incorporate into your balanced diet because of its powerful effect of controlling diabetes by enhancing the signaling of insulin receptors to perform their function. It also prevents a sudden rise in blood sugar levels after meals. This spice has a strong antioxidant effect, which helps to prevent the development of diabetes. Number 7. Berries. Major forms of berries, including blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries, won't raise your blood sugar level because of their high level of fibers and other constituents, which include anthocyanins, vitamin C, and polyphenols. The fiber keeps you full, and other chemicals are potent antioxidants that help reduce both cholesterol and insulin levels after meals and increase insulin sensitivity, basically to reduce the level of blood sugar. Berries generally have a low glycemic index. Number 6. Beans. Although beans contain complex carbohydrates, they have a low glycemic index, GI, and therefore cannot cause a significant increase in blood sugar level. This specific property, GI, makes them an appropriate food for you to manage diabetes. Beans are rich in vitamin B, soluble fiber, resistant starch, and minerals including calcium, magnesium, and potassium. The soluble fibers and resistant starch help to slow down digestion, improve blood sugar response after a meal, and keep you full. Examples of beans you should take are soybeans, kidney beans, and chickpeas. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is incredibly nutritious, with low calorie amounts. It contains manganese, selenium, fiber, and vitamin B6 and C. Garlic contributes to diabetic health by improving the glycemic status and providing a significant reduction of high blood sugar concentration, inflammation, blood pressure, and low-density cholesterol, LDL, commonly known as bad cholesterol, in diabetic patients. In addition, the vitamin B6 present in garlic is involved in carbohydrate metabolism, where it serves as a coenzyme or cofactor. Furthermore, studies have shown that garlic contains a high amount of allicin, a sulfur-containing compound, and garlic is said to be most beneficial at the highest concentration of allicin. Therefore, we advise you to allow the chopped garlic to set for at least 5 minutes before using it. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of healthy natural fat, including monosaturated fats such as oleic acid that help to improve glucose management in the blood, reduce fasting blood sugar, and post-meal triglyceride levels, and has some antioxidant properties. The oil also helps to reduce the risk of heart disease and inflammation of blood vessels, and prevent damage to cells in people with diabetes. Although olive oil is not a food you can pick to eat for breakfast, ensure that you add it to your cooking. For example, you can sprinkle it on your salad and use it to cook meat and vegetables. In addition, other oils such as coconut oil, avocado oil, and nut oil are also good sources of natural fat, healthy for people with diabetes. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts are a healthy addition to a balanced diet as they are high in fiber, low in carbs, and can help reduce blood sugar and lower LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol levels. Research and studies have shown that consuming any type of nut, such as hazelnuts, cashew nuts, walnuts, and macadamia nuts, together with any of these control foods, can help control diabetes and its consequences, including reduced inflammation of blood vessels and hemoglobin. In addition, the nut contains healthy unsaturated fat, which is responsible for its ability to reduce bad cholesterol. But if you're watching your weight, we advise you to consume nuts in moderation, because though the nuts contain healthy fats, they are still fats and you shouldn't have them in excess. Subsequently, nuts such as walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts also help people with diabetes to improve their heart health. Number 2. Whole grains. This class of foods includes brown rice, bulgur wheat, oats, barley, and quinoa. These grains, in comparison with refined grains, contain a high level of soluble fiber and lower carbs. The soluble fiber gives a sense of fullness in the stomach when these grains are taken. This decreases the rate at which you eat food and therefore lower your sugar intake. In addition, fibers induce a slow digestion process. Thus, the nutrients are absorbed at a lower rate, thereby preventing a sudden spike in blood sugar concentration. Also, oat, barley, and bulgur wheat have a specific high potency to significantly reduce HbA1c and fasting blood sugar. Number 1. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are often described as superfoods, and it's for no other reason but because of the high amount of chemical constituents, including fibers and flavonoid antioxidants, which contribute greatly to the reduction of blood sugar levels. These vegetables have lower amounts of digestible carbohydrates, which correspond to low calorie output, which is insignificant in spiking blood sugar levels. In addition to fiber, they contain phytochemicals, minerals, and vitamins, including vitamin C. Vitamin C is responsible for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, where it removes free radicals. This process helps to reduce cellular damage and promote eye and heart health. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so you won't miss more videos about your body health and much more. Check out this video. I'm sure you'll love it.